Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you a new tool which allows you to generate pictures with AI using your own photo or photo of your friends. Just go to faceshape.com. Here on the starting page they have recommendations how your photo should look like for best results. We need to go to this icon which is called Face Studio. Here we need to upload our photo. I will use a photo of my friend Johnny for this purpose. Maybe you also know him, and today I have a few prompts to demonstrate how this tool works. So for the first, we will take a man on a luxury yacht and we'll see how these pictures will look like. Normally it takes like 5 to 7 seconds to generate 5 or 7 pictures. Usually they are different styles. But let's have a look. Let's have a look what they will do. Look at this. That's amazing. Guys, it looks so realistic, as if he's just on a real yacht somewhere in Monaco, Saint-Tropez. Yeah, I also like this picture on the left. On the right it's a bit weird. Yeah, here I like it a little bit less. Yeah, on the right there was another weird variation, and here we can see something really modern, neon lights, a little like cyberpunk or something like that. Okay, let's move for the second prompt. Now let's have a look how he would look like if he would be sitting in an office. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at the full screen. Amazing result. So realistic. I like this photo on the left side. On the right side it's like a painting, which is also nice. I like the shadows, this light from the window. But on the left side, it's also amazing photo on the left side. I would like to have photo like this for my portfolio or CV. I think many of us could use this service to generate a couple of really nice photos in an expensive office. I also like this one on the left. Yeah, it's like a motorbike guy, looks cool. Okay, let's try something more complicated, as if he's in laboratory, foggy laboratory with explosions on the background. Let's have a look how AI will cope with that prompt. Look at this again. On the left side I like it. These explosions, foggy, so it takes all input data, it doesn't ignore any details from our prompt. Explosions are in place, fog is there. I like it. I like this tool. This tool is absolutely free. You don't need to make any trial period, no registration, just go ahead, upload and have fun. Okay. Okay, let's try to redraw it. Okay. Other variations are also very good. Yeah, they're so ambient. So now with this tool you can generate so much content for your social medias, for Instagram or something else. Yeah, just in seconds. And I think this service has some limitations after you make like 50 or 60 prompts during a day. So it will say that, yeah, you can continue tomorrow, but the next day you can just keep on doing again all your experiments. Now let's try a man with a big trolley full of cash. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Cash is so realistic. And man, yeah, trolley, everything is just perfect. I think we could generate these pictures for your like mood board or your like dream picture, and you could strive to that. You know, some people put like a Ferrari or expensive house. You could generate a picture of yourself with that, some luxury items, and you can, yeah, use it as inspiration. Okay, let's have a look how it will redraw the same prompt. Okay, another nice pictures. Nice. Yeah, on the right, sometimes they do it not so perfect, but in general, I mean, most of the pictures are really good quality, really good. And I think, oh, all cash gone from the last trolley. Okay, and you can also modify your prompt in the left bottom corner, or you can change your picture which you use if you just push in the upper right corner this icon. Okay guys, that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please tap like, leave your comments down below, and share with your friends if you think it's a fun tool. Okay guys, enjoy. That's all for today. See you in the next videos.